Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss about Car Trade Tech IPO. August is a very busy month for IPOs. Already 4 IPO is started its subscription from August 4th. Now on August 9th, 2 more IPO is getting opened. One is Car Trade Tech and other one is Nuvoco Vista. In this video we will discuss about Car Trade Tech's IPO details. CarTrade is a multi-channel auto platform with coverage and presence across vehicle types and value-added services. Its platforms operate under several brands: Carvale, CarTrade, Shriram Automall, BikeValley, CarTrade Exchange, Adroit Auto, and Autobiz. Through these platforms, the company enables new and used automobiles customers, vehicle dealers, vehicle dealership, vehicle OEMs, and other businesses to buy and sell their vehicles in a simple and efficient manner. In the 3 months ended in 30th June 2021, its consumer platforms Carvale, CarTrade, and BikeValley collectively had an average of 27.11 million unique visitors per month, with 88.14 being organic visitors. So this shows the strength of the company. Objects of the issue are to carry out offer for sale, to achieve the benefit of listing in the equity shares on the stock exchange. This is a specialty of this IPO. This IPO is purely on offer for sale. Usually when we discuss about the object of the issues of many IPOs, there are many reasons: repayment of the loans, corporate purposes, development of the business, etc. In this case, the purpose of the IPO is purely offer for sale. That means the existing shares of the promoter is selling off and they want to enjoy the benefit of listing in the stock exchange. The major competitive strength of the company are: it is a leading platform for automotive sales with a synergistic ecosystem. It operates various brands like Carvale, CarTrade, Shriram Automall, BikeValley, CarTrade Exchange, Autobiz, etc. A comprehensive range of services like automotive buying, selling, financing, marketing, etc. And it is a profitable and scalable business model. In the screen we can see the timetable of the CarTrade Tech IPO. The IPO is opening on 9th August 2021 and the IPO closing on August 11th. Basis of allotment date August 17th. Initiation of refunds August 18th. Credit of shares to the demat account August 20th, and IPO listing date is August 23rd, 2021. The CarTrade IPO is coming with an issue size of 2,998.51 crore rupees, and it is fully of offer for sale. That means the promoter of the company is selling off their shares. There is no fresh issue in this IPO. Rupees 10 per equity share is the face value of the IPO, and the price band of the IPO is rupees 1585 to rupees 1618 rupees per share. Market lot is 9 share. Minimum application amount is, that is the amount needed for one lot, that is 9 share, is 14,562, and the maximum application quantity is 13 lots, which is 117 shares, and the maximum application amount is 1,89,306 rupees. In the screen you can see the financial summary of the company. The financial summary from 2019 financial year to 2021 financial year is given here. You can see the profit after tax is consistently growing, and when it comes to 2021 the profit is getting higher. So you can see the company is performing very well. Lead managers of the CarTrade Tech IPO are Axis Capital Limited, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited, Kotak Mahindra Capital Company Limited, Nomura Financial Advisory and Securities Private Limited. Link Intime India Private Limited is the IPO registrar. So in this video we discussed about the outline of the CarTrade Tech IPO. As we discussed, the company is performing well in the financial segment. There is no much financial burden on this company, and my personal suggestion is go for this IPO for a listing gain, and in the long term run this company is good for holding in your portfolio. The major reason for suggesting this IPO is I found that this is a unique business model. there is no identified competitors for this company, and as we mentioned in the competitive strength, this is a scalable business. In the future, this company can be a very big player in the Indian automotive field. So personally, I am going to apply for this IPO. If I get the allotment, I will hold this for a long term. So if you like today's content, if you think this video was informative, please subscribe the channel, please like the video and share this video to your friends, those who are in the stock market. Thank you. Keep support.